How do you say I love you in French? The phrase I love you in French is je t'aime. Je t'aime. If you're talking to more than one person, you can say instead je vous aime. Je vous aime. So je vous aime could mean I love you all. Here's an example sentence. Je t'aime et je veux passer le reste de ma vie avec toi. Je t'aime et je veux passer le reste de ma vie avec toi. I love you and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You could add a little extra word to the end of je t'aime and you get je t'aime tant. Je t'aime tant. I love you so much. So the word tant means so much. Je t'aime tant que je ne peux pas être séparé de toi. Je t'aime tant que je ne peux pas être séparé de toi. I love you so much that I can't stand to be apart from you. So je t'aime means I love you. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. The word aimer in French comes from the Latin word amare, meaning to love, the same root that gives us words like amorous and amiable in English.